Oh, fuck. What the hell's up, YouTube? We're back with a banger. We got the Grom out, so you know what the fuck that means. It's time to get some work done on the Grom. I went ahead and ordered some parts for this bad boy. The bike has been sitting for a while just because, like, you know, I don't really feel comfortable riding it with a chain that, you know, does circles. You know what I'm saying? It's like not fully actually adjusted the right way. And it kind of does suck trying to do wheelies with this bike. Its stock gearing sucks dick cheese. But it is pretty decent whenever the chain is, like, you know, properly maintained. But,
You can swear in the first minute of the video. It'll get demonetized.
Fuck! So, in front of me, you guys can't see it right now, but in front of me I got a couple parts here that I've been wanting to put on the Grom for, well, one I've been wanting to put on the Grom for the longest. The other two was just because I was in there, might as well buy them, you know what I'm saying. Yeah. So, right here we got the JT 14 Tooth Front Sprocket. On the Grom it's a 15 originally from 15 or 16 from factory. I went with a 14, we're gonna get some more lower in it. Then we have Sprocket Center SuperLite 38 tooth black anodized steel sprocket for the rear. I was originally supposed to be getting the Vortex 38 tooth anodized aluminum sprocket in red, but they were out of stock. That place and Vortex was out of stock, so I called the company. Super helpful, love those people, man. Like, first time dealing with them, and it won't be my last time. Definitely hit them up for all your sprocket needs. Then we went with a 108 link heavy duty RK chain, 420 chain. This is what the chain looks like. Oh shit, got a sticker, 2 stickers. They do send these to you when you pick your sprocket combo on the website. They will send you a sprocket cut to length and ready to go. It does come with your master link, and it does come with some lubricant on there. So we're going for it's a 1438 combo, 108 link chain. You can't use a stock chain link. I don't like how flimsy the original Honda chain is, just because I've done the maintenance on time every single time, but it just stretches so easily. I'm gonna do a couple of clips for you. Pop a wheelie, we'll see the difference with low end. Maybe we'll do like a little quick speed test, see how fast it gets to whatever speed from one end of the lot to the other. And then we'll do the installation, and I'll give you a after. So we'll do a before and after comparison, and see if it was worth the buy. All right, so we're gonna go down here to the end of my my little garage area, and we're gonna see what the we're gonna try to do a quick little, like, dump the clutch and go, but I've never done that before on this thing, and it might not be a good idea. And we're gonna see how easy it is to do a wheelie. All right, so we're gonna start off at like 5 miles an hour. We'll do 4. All right, let's get it on the lift. Whoa, I can't touch the floor. All right, step 1, put this bitch up on a stand. All right, so we're gonna wanna crack this loose so we can pop like this, and the nut on this side loose, so that way we can move the wheel forward, drop the chain. I actually might just pop the chain off here. One sec, let me go get the pliers. We got my rusty dusty pliers. Your master link is right here. Just wanna grab it from the bottom. Pop, master link's off. Pull out this little cover plate. Get off. Chain is off. These teeth don't look too bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and get it's a 10 and a 12 here, 10 and 12 on the other side. I forgot what size the axle nut is, but we're gonna just crack all that shit loose. So yeah, it is a 10 and a 12. The back one's gonna be a 10. Well, your front one's gonna be a 10. Your back one's gonna be a 12. Just gonna go ahead and crack those loose. All right, now we just gotta crack this one loose, and then the wheel should be able to move forward. Well, actually, we have to take this off fully because we need to get the wheel off. All right, so this nut is a 19. We got our Harbor Freight Impact with the 12 amp hour battery in there. Let's crack this motherfucker loose. There we go. All right. Okay, so now that we got the wheel off, here's this spacer. I'm gonna keep it up. We're gonna go ahead and just crack these bad bitches loose. All right, so here's the new SuperLite sprocket. Make sure it's seated flush. We're gonna put this shit in its lowest setting. Alright, so now we're gonna find out the torque spec and get this torqued and marked. Okay, after some research with Google AI, we came out to 47 foot-pounds for this rear sprocket. Alright, now that we got that done, I'm gonna go grab the grease and we're gonna re-grease the axle and put this bitch back together. Alright, so we're just gonna spray this puppy off with some brake cleaner really quick, wipe it down with that rag over there. Thank you, assistant. Alright, so then we got some Valvoline multi-vehicle high temp grease.
Please sponsor us.
Please sponsor. I need a sponsor just in general. I probably should re-grease this, but I'm not going to. The wheel goes on sprocket to the left side of the bike. Now we have to apply the bracket on this side. So this bracket goes the same way as the other side. That goes on like that. And then here's the nut.
You don't grease the nut.
All right, so now that that is done, we're gonna move to the front sprocket. Put it in gear.
No longer.
Just slide it into your little slots. Slide your plate back on. Put your screws in.
You're back.
All right, so now let's go get the chain. We'll wrap the chain around and just set it up like this. And, oh, why it feel like that? All right, so now that we got the chain on, we got your master link right here. You're gonna put the back of your master link, well, yeah, the back of your master link closer towards the wheel, stick it through, and then you're gonna get a face plate, or I guess that's what it's called. You're gonna stick it there, and then you'll get, then you'll get this little locking pin right here. Sorry, my hands are a little sticky, so they're dirty. You get this little locking pin, and you wanna place it going downward. Like that. And then you'll get your pliers on the outside. My fingers feel like slimy and sticky at the same time. Ow! Then you click it in place. Damn, that shit hurt. Now it's all installed. We just have to go and fix this and adjust the chain. Now it's time to worry about the chain adjustment part. Just hold the plate there, pull the wheel back till it's firm. Lock this one down. So I'm gonna go ahead and just adjust the front while he's working on that side. Well, now he's done. I'm gonna go ahead and just adjust this until I got my desired tightness. All right, so now I'm gonna put you guys in the center and we're gonna tighten down the rear axle nut. 68 foot-pounds right there on the rear axle nut. Look at that, that looks so good. All right, so I went through everything is tightened. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up on my mess, and then I'm gonna take the Grom out, and we will put the helmet on and do a quick little test run. Look who's back. Javi! We're all cleaned up. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and pop the stand off, drop the lift, and take the bike off, and I'll put the helmet on. All right, it's time for the first ride. Well, not even a real ride, but close enough. Ignore the blinking ABS light. I have the fuse unplugged. Oh my god, I can't wait to not hear the chain clanking around. You let me know if anything looks sketchy. That already feels kind of better. All right, so first we're gonna do the little quick dig, just because that was the first thing I did before. We're gonna start right here though. All right. But yeah, it definitely, I don't know if it's a placebo or maybe if like with the sprocket change you do have to get like GPS speeds now because it's not, the speedo's not calibrated to the gear ratio. But it did feel a little bit more like up, like peppy. We're gonna do the little wheelie test really quick. I think we did it at 4 miles an hour last time. Definitely recommended. Oh my god, dude, this was fucking worth it. Woo! I gotta see that. almost shit myself there, bro. Oh man, dude, I miss this bike so much. I haven't smiled this much since the Daytona was running. What's up? Alright, we're ending off the Grom video on a little bit of a funny note. So I'm gotta make it quick because the battery is only at 8% on the camera. But it's back on the lift, and it's not only because it's getting a tire soon. I already have the tire on order, but I ended up looping the bike and broke my pedal off. But I do have parts on order, so once this is dropped, we're gonna go ahead and finish up the video on this one, and then another Grom video will be dropping again, and then we'll do Daytona, Del Sol, and keep it going from there. But I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Go check out the last video for the R3 review, and see you next time.